CSS, you can create any color from color system and apply that color on any HTML element on 4 different ways. So we can use RGB value colors, hexadecimal value colors, ADCL value colors, and predefined CSS colors. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.